Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Freshers Now. In today's video, you are going to get all the information regarding SBI PO's exam pattern and syllabus which you need to prepare. This video is consisting of two main sections which has prelims and also the main section. You will be given detailed information about the topics which you have to be aware of for your preparation. Let us get into the video. The recruitment process for SBI PO is under three sections. Number 1 is preliminary round, number 2 is the mains, and number 3 the interview round. Candidates have to go through all of the three rounds in order to be selected for SBI PO. This is the exam pattern for the prelims examination. Number 1 is the quantitative aptitude, where you will be given 35 questions and 20 minutes to answer them. 35 questions carries 35 marks. Number 2 is the reasoning ability, which also has 35 questions with the same amount of time, which is 20 minutes, carrying 35 marks each. Number 3 is English language capability, where you will be given 30 questions and 30 marks are awarded. 20 minutes will be given for you to complete the answers. Remember, 0.25 marks will be cut out for each of the negative answers that you keep. In this part of the video, you are going to see the syllabus which you have to prepare for the prelims exam. You will be knowing what are the topics which are necessary for your preparation. For reasoning round or for the reasoning section, you need to prepare logical reasoning, ranking, direction, data sufficiency, seating arrangement, puzzles, tabulation, syllogism, blood relations, input, output, coding, decoding, etc. So you need to be aware of all these topics. For quantitative ability, you need to be prepared under the topics simplification, profit and loss, time and distance, work and time, simple interest, data interpretation, compound interest, number systems, percentages, sequence and series, probability, and all such topics which are mentioned on the screen here. For English language, the topics are fill in the blanks, vocabulary, reading comprehension, error spotting, para jumbles, etc. If you are selected under the prelim section, you will be now headed towards taking up the mains exam. The examination pattern is like this. You have to cover up all these sections and according to the marks and the duration time which is given here. Let us look into this one by one. Number 1 is data analysis and interpretation, which has 35 questions carrying 60 marks and 45 minutes will be given for you to answer. Next is the reasoning and computer aptitude, which has 45 questions. Again, 60 marks are awarded with a 60 minutes time limit. English language capability has 35 questions, 40 marks are awarded with 40 minutes time to complete. With general awareness and banking awareness, 40 questions will be given to you, 35 minutes and 40 marks are awarded. For English descriptive test, only 2 questions will be given to you, and remember, for these 2 questions, 30 minutes will be given to you for writing your answers, and for these 2 questions, 50 marks for your answering. Also, even in the main section, 0.25 marks will be detected if you have written any wrong answers. Now, we will look into the syllabus or the topics which you have to be aware for your preparing. For data analysis and interpretation, topics like tabular graph, line graph, charts and tables, missing case DI, radar graph, data sufficiency and probability, pie charts, and all of these topics which are mentioned in the screen, please note them down for your further reference. For reasoning, topics like verbal reasoning, syllogism, linear setting arrangement, double lineup, scheduling, input, output, blood relations, and also data sufficiency, coding, decoding, code inequality. Please stay ahead with the screen so that you will be well aware of what are the topics which are mentioned here. And for the general economy banking awareness section, topics like banking terminologies, statistics awareness, banking awareness, and all these topics need to be covered for your preparation. As I've said, please stick on to the screen and also look on the topics which are mentioned on the screen for your clarification. For English language, you have to be prepared for grammar and vocabulary, verbal ability, sentence improvement, verb corrections, cloze test, para jumbles, error spotting, fill in the blanks, sentence correction, synonyms, antonyms, and such topics need to be taken for preparation. For computer aptitude, topics like internet memory, keyboard shortcuts, computer abbreviation, Microsoft Office, computer hardware, software, operating systems need to be taken for preparation. Also, other topics which include networking, number systems, basic logic gates need to be taken for your preparation. Now, we have almost come to the end of the video. Before I conclude, I would like to give some good news from Freshers Now. Freshers Now is now offering free mock test for your preparation. Now, how good it can be? You can take up n number of tests for your preparation so that you can enhance your preparation skills and be more confident to take up your exam. You can check out this website or this link which is mentioned here on the screen. Go ahead and take up the mock test as soon as possible, because all these tests which are given by Freshers Now are for free. This is the website. You can log on with your mobile number or you can use your email address for logging in. These are the different examination tests which you can take up for your preparation. You can enhance your skills and your grades. You can check your scores and then make sure you are progressing at your preparation. Well, we have now come to the end of the video. I hope you like this video. Please do share it with your friends, whoever are going to take up SBI PO exam soon. Like this video. If you have any doubts or if you need any clarification, make sure you put it down in the comment section below so that we will look into your questions and answer them soon. Make sure to subscribe for more learning videos and placements videos from Freshers Now. Thank you.